Good afternoon to respected faculty members, members of the LRE team, and also my dear participants. I would like to request you all to turn on your cameras to have an interaction at least. I hope everyone has turned on their cameras. Okay. So this is my introduction. This is Abida. I'll be the moderator of this course. I've done my master's in criminology with specialization in forensic psychology from National Forensic Sciences University, Gujarat. So if you have any issues or concerns related to the course, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. So your participation is a key to making this a valuable learning experience, and we look forward for your active engagement throughout the course. So this online certificate course on new criminal laws is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of recent changes that are made and also developments in criminal law. So this course is ideal for legal professionals, law students, or anyone who's interested in evolving the landscape of criminal justice. So, before the beginning of this course, I would like to inform you all about our recent changes and also about our organization. So, Legal Research and Analysis is a platform that is created to help uh, understanding of about legal information. So we have a team of experienced and highly talented legal professionals who are well versed in the global legal system, particularly in India and many other countries. So we keep them updated with the latest laws, amendments, and happenings in the legal and the political industry through continuing educational and trainings. So, our services include pre arbitration and post award research, tracking federal or state legislation, orders, rules, regulations, provisions, etc. So, we also provide other different courses that are based on certificate courses that are human rights, women rights, Constitution of India, animal rights, contract drafting, etc. So you can all visit our website for the same and get more info on this.
I'm sorry to disturb you, but we
Yes,
are hardly able to hear you. Your voice is echoing.
I'm not audible.
You're
Okay,
audible, but your voice is echoing. It's
echoing.
coming in
Okay,
echo. Yeah.
I'll just see the technical issue. I'm really sorry for that.
Thank you.
Is it fine now?
No, it's still the same.
Okay, just really sorry. Just give me a minute. Is it fine now? Can anyone tell me if my voice is fine now? Really sorry for the inconvenience. Is my voice audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. I'm really sorry for that happened. So, as I was mentioning, we offer different courses in legal research and analysis. You can all visit our website for the same. So this legal research and analysis was founded by Mr. Pranav Jha sir and Mr. Uzair Ansari sir. So Pranav Jha sir has served as a junior research consultant at the National Human Rights Commission. He has completed his LLM in Access to Justice from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, that is TIS in Mumbai, and also graduated with distinction in BALLB on honors from Aligarh Muslim University, Murshidabad Center. So he had been Joint Secretary of the Law Society, Secretary of the Kaizen Club, and also the Senior Editor at the Law Gazette. We also have Uzair Ansari, sir. So he's a multifaceted individual with a diverse range of achievements and experiences. He's a law graduate from Aligarh Muslim University as well as a graduate in life sciences in the same institution. So he is an entrepreneur, programmer, philanthropist, war analyst, musician, and established author of several books across multiple disciplines of study, including international relations, law, and philosophy in nonfiction. So currently, Uzair sir is serving as a Chief Executive Officer of Legal Research and Analysis. So we welcome you both. Now we are honored to introduce our esteemed faculty speaker, that is Advocate Kausar Hussain sir. So he is a distinguished faculty member of our course on new criminal laws. So with his result-oriented and strategic approach to criminal corporate law, Sir brings a wealth of experience that will greatly benefit all of us in the learning process. So he's a seasoned legal professional with several years of extensive experience in litigation across various high profile courts and tribunals, including the Supreme Court, High Court, trial courts, NCLT, etc. So his expertise includes in depth research of case laws, drafting pleadings, briefing senior counsels, and representing cases before appropriate legal forums as well. And he is the professional member of the Supreme Court Bar Association and also the Delhi High Court Bar Association. So his vast experience has endured him with excellent interpersonal communication skills, crucial or client counseling, and effectively persuading the court also. We are confident that Advocate Kausar Hussein's sir's strategic expertise and also dedication will be invaluable to our students. So please join us in extending a warm welcome to Advocate Kausar Hussain, sir. Sir, do you like to share any few words here?
Hi, first of all, thank you so much for your warm welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm really very excited with you guys. I just wanted to know who all are the legal professions, who all are the students, who all are the.
So we'll be having the introduction session in another 5 minutes, so we'll get to know about the
Okay,
participants also.
definitely, definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So participants, as we proceed with our course, there are few guidelines that need to be followed. So attendees must join using their proper names to facilitate communication and networking and also for your attendance and also for certificate purpose. So join with your proper names. Then cameras should be turned on to foster a sense of engagement and participation. Dress code, and please dress appropriately as you would do for a professional setting. Keep your microphones muted and unless instructed otherwise by the moderator to minimize the background noise. And participants are expected to maintain decorum and refrain from disruptive behavior or language. So we also ensure, the syllabus is curated just for you. We also ensure the 100% participation from your side and the attendance for the same, and joining the session on time so that it will not disrupt others' learning also. So you have to submit your assignment, which is given in the timeline for the same in the at the end of the course. So all said, now I would like to call one by one for your introduction session. So just 3 points, your name, your qualification, and why you've joined this course. So one by one, we can start with the introduction. I'll start with Amir sir.
Yes, please. Good afternoon.
We would like to have introduction here.
I am a young graduate of 54 years LLM student in the final semester. I am a COVID batch LLB student. So now started practicing gradually in High Court, Telangana. At the same time, finished just LLM. I'm basically from Hyderabad. So with the introduction of the old system, the new system have come up now, new laws. So a bit confusion.
Yes, sir.
So now trying to learning those things. This is about me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Advocate Girish, sir.
Good afternoon to all. I just completed my law graduate uh, in August 2024, still pending for enrollment, and completed my law graduate from Jalandhar, Punjab, KCL Institute of Laws. And just to know about the new criminal laws, I joined this course. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Abhineet, sir.
Good afternoon, all. Myself Abhinit Ashok Dange. I am from MP Law College. I am currently pursuing BA LLB. I am in fourth year. Thank you.
And why did you join the course, sir?
For learning BNS and all new criminal laws.
Okay, thank you, sir. Ajit, sir. Ajit Suryavanshi, sir, if you are in the session, kindly introduce yourself. If you're not able to unmute yourself, you can at least type it in the chat box also. Alka, ma'am, you can go. Kindly mute your devices if you are not called. Alka, ma'am, can you introduce yourself? Anushka, ma'am.
Yes. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, good afternoon. I am Anushka Rai. I'm from Cuttack, Odisha. Now I am in third year of BA LLB. I'm pursuing my BA LLB from Madhusudan Law University.
Thank you, ma'am, for your introduction. Asmita, ma'am.
My name is Asmita Srivastava. I am a fourth year student pursuing BA LLB honors from Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies in Law.
Thank you.
I have joined this course because I want to gain knowledge about new criminal laws.
Thank you. Ghazala Abidin, ma'am, or sir, I'm really sorry for the confusion.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Ghazala Abidin. I have done PhD from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, and I am having 12 years of experience in the field of law. Currently, I'm working as Associate Professor of Law at Manav Krishna University, and I have joined this online course. I'm eager to learn new criminal laws. That's the only reason for that. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you
That
so
is
much.
actually seen in your voice also.
Okay, thank you.
Harshada, sir. Harshi Patel.
Hello,
Yes, yes, ma'am. You are audible.
my name is Harshada Mahendra Dharne. I have done BA, then DED, and then I have done LLB. I'm just interested in criminal. That's why I have joined this course, and it is not possible. I live in small village near Nasik. The court is 40 kilometers away from our village. That's why I have joined the criminal this class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Harshi Patel.
Hello, my name is Sarshi Patel and I'm currently first year BBLLB student from IFM Law School, and I joined the school because I wanted to know the new criminal laws and the impact it is going to have in our society.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Khushi Batla. I am in Lloyd's Law College. I am a second year student and I have joined this course because we have been taught IPC and I want to learn the new criminal laws in India.
Mahi Gupta.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mahi Gupta, and currently I am in third year of my BLLB program at Madhusudan Law University.
Thank you. Naimisha Sekia.
Good afternoon. I am Naimisha Sekia. I am from Assam. I am pursuing my PhD from Bhopal, and I have just completed my human rights law course from your institute, and now I am interested in this course, criminal justice. So I have joined. Thank you.
Thank you. Parnika ma'am.
हो गया.
Parnika NA.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Parnika. I am currently pursuing DLLB second year. I'm interested in understanding the new criminals. That's why I joined the course.
Rahul Birdie.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Rahul Berde. I'm from Mumbai. I have just completed my BA LLB course last month, and I'm looking for practice into criminal laws. So we have been taught IPC, CRPC, and Evidence Act, but I think that's not useful for us going forward. So I wanted to learn the new laws.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Raya ma'am. Raya Rudra.
Hi, good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So I'm I BBLAB from KIT in year 2018, and thereafter I was practicing in Calcutta High Court. I was in the criminal litigation, and from 2020 to 23, I completed my master's from Amity Calcutta, where my dissertation topic was corporate criminal liability. So I have always been inclined towards criminal law in total. So I've practiced in criminal law, then I did not have any option other than corporate law to have a master's in, so I chose corporate criminal law. So last year I graduated with my LLM, and this year I was supposed to start with my PhD, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, due to the demise of my father, I had to take up the business, so I couldn't join PhD. Right now, my main motive is to see I am into academics full time. I tutor students online, offline, for instance, and everything. So I want to have a clear idea as to why first figuring the obvious in criminal law, but also to join the dots as to the theory and practical. So I have been a part of practical because I have practiced in High Court, and but owing to the new criminal law, I'm not updated. So to teach students and to have a greater knowledge about it, I want to really join the dots with me.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. SP Jyoti Prabha.
Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am. You are.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, all the faculty members and all respected dignitaries. I am SP Jyoti Prabha, and I am currently pursuing BA LLB from XIM University, Bhubaneswar, and I am in my third year. I joined this course because I wanted to know the changes these laws are going to make and what all differences these three laws bear. Thank you.
Thank you. Sauro Mazumdar. Sir, you're not audible. Simran Bharti.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Simran Bharti, and currently I am pursuing course of LLB, and I am in second year from Mumbai University. And I just want to gain knowledge in this, so I am here. Thank you.
Sonalika Sinha.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sonalika Sinha. Currently, I am pursuing Masters in Criminal Law at Sri Venkateshwara University, Gajraula. I completed my BA LLB from Bihar Institute of Law in 2022. Recently, I have enrolled myself in the State Bar Council and planning to take up the upcoming All India Bar examinations, of which the new criminal law is a part of syllabus.
Darshan Kumar sir. Sudarshan Kumar Jha. Vaibhav Kataria.
Very good afternoon to all of you.
Yes,
My name is Vaibhav Kataria. I am pursuing LLB. I'm in second year and from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. And I live in New Delhi. So I have done my graduation in BA Political Science Honors from Delhi University. And I joined this course because to gain some knowledge and to expertise in it. Thank you.
Vasundhara Sharma.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vasundhara Sharma, and I am pursuing law, BLLB, third year, and I want to know all new laws, and I'm currently practicing in Delhi District Court. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you all for your joining the orientation session today. So if there are any queries from your side regarding the course or the faculty, we are here. So this is the platform for you to share your queries now.
I have one request that I know English better, but can you sometimes while lecture, if I have some query, can you explain in Hindi also?
Yeah, definitely. Since
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
so since I
Hello, ma'am.
thought that there are many legal professionals, non-legal professionals, PhD holders. So I'll be engaging with you guys in both the platform, English और हिंदी. Because sometimes होता क्या है कि इंग्लिश चलती रहती है, बहुत लोग हेजिटेट करते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछने में, माइक अनम्यूट करके पूछने में, क्या बोले क्या पूछे, ये हेजिटेशन इज जस्ट कॉमन हेजिटेशन. आई जस्ट वांट यू गाइस टू बी इंगेजिंग. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप लोग भी पढ़ के आओ, हम भी पढ़ के आते हैं, हम जो पढ़ के आते हैं वो हम आपको बताते हैं. आप जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो वो कभी ना कभी किसी हम भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे रह के हमने भी सीखा है. सो इट माइट बी नोबडी इज परफेक्ट. सो नया लॉ है, कुछ ऊपर नीचे चीज़ें हो जाए तो जस्ट एडवांस अपोलॉजी ऑन दैट. एंड डेफिनेटली ये कोर्स ऐसा ही है. देखो अब सब लोगों ने, as I got to know that everybody is here to know about the new legal criminal laws which has came, that BNS, BNSS and BSA. And before that, I just wanted to know that नए लॉ सीखने से पहले क्या आप who all has an interest in a core criminal law? मतलब उससे पहले have you guys had a deeper knowledge or a knowledge or a overview or a practice or a procedural aspects in the previous criminal laws, that is IPC, CRPC or Indian Evidence Act, or you just delving yourself into this new legal era?
Could you ask the question once more, sir? Could you come again? I couldn't understand. Could you repeat it in English once more?
I just got to know that everybody wants to learn about this new criminal law. I just had a query that before this, does anybody has a overview or had any practices in or the previous criminal law, that is IPC, CRPC, Indian Evidence Act, or just everybody is new in this new criminal era or a new law?
I have had a previous practice of very short era, like for 4 years I practiced in Calcutta High Court. I was into criminal litigation. And as I mentioned in my introduction, thereafter I started my master's from 2000. So from 2018 to 22, I was practicing in Calcutta High Court. From 22 to 23, I was doing my master's. And as I mentioned, this year I was supposed to go. So I was shifting from practice to academics. So this year I was supposed to enroll for PhD, but again, I'm sorry for repeating myself. For some unforeseen circumstances, I had to choose another career over law for full time because my father passed away. But as a, you can say, as a part timer, because I'm very passionate about law, so I've converted into I teach law now over online, and for entrances for LLB. So I've had a very short practice in criminal law, you can ask, but I'm always in touch with criminal law because my whole family is into law practice more or less. So I read judgments every
No
day.
issues, no issues. That's a very
Yeah.
good thing. I got to know. So basically, see, law ऐसी चीज है that everybody who's a practitioner, who's a non-legal background, who's a layman person, law कहीं ना कहीं आपके लाइफ में किसी ना किसी तरीके से आता ही है. And it's not about the legal profession or legal practitioner that एक सीनियर एडवोकेट से लेके एक यंग लॉयर को वापस से वो पढ़ाई करने की जरूरत पड़ गई. So I'll be dealing with all the laws, including encapsulating with the IPC correspondent to the BNS, CRPC correspondence with the BNSS, and the IEA correspondence with the BSA. So since I'm a practicing lawyer, I've been working under the chambers of Mr. Siddharth Luthra, senior advocate. He is a core criminal lawyer and a practitioner in Supreme Court of India. So I'll be taking you all not through the theoretical knowledge or the bookish knowledge, rather than a courtroom procedures as well. कि इन केस आप अगर आईपीसी यहाँ से पढ़ के जाते हो या कुछ लेसन्स लेके जाते हो, कुछ याद करके जाते हो, नोट्स लेके जाते हो, वंस यू आर इनटू द प्रैक्टिस or the specifically the person who are new into the new colleges or the person who will be graduating this year, next year or so whenever. So उनको ये चीज़ कैसे प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स में प्रोसीजरल कैसे यूज करना है, कैसे आने वाले टाइम पे आपको ये चीज़ ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है और किस तरीके से आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. So I'll be taking you all these things with the procedural as well as practical approaches.
Yes, sir. I think few participants have raised their hands. Vineet sir, you had a question. You raised your hand.
Yes, if we miss any session, so are we getting any recordings or anything
Yes,
else?
so regarding that, you will have to mail us with your valid reason for it, and then we'll evaluate that, and then we'll be providing you with the recordings for the same.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Rai Rudram, you had a query. You raised your hand. Okay. Advocate Girish sir. Yeah, you had raised your hand.
मैम मुझे ये पूछना था जो असाइनमेंट्स हैं
Yes, yes.
जो असाइनमेंट्स हैं वो मतलब हमें कब तक सबमिट करनी है और उनका कैसे मतलब क्या करना है वो
So the
गाइडेंस थोड़ी
assignment,
मिल
yeah, the assignment is regarding the new criminal laws course itself. So you will have to write a research article based on the guidelines that are given in the timeline itself. So you will have to submit it after 10 days of the completion of this course. So all the details are given in the timeline itself. So you can go through that and then
मैम रिसर्च के लिए कोई गाइड भी मिलेगा या आपसे पूछ सकते
no,
हैं
sir,
जब कोई प्रॉब्लम
there would no, I mean, there would no guide be available for that. You can ask Kausar sir itself whenever you have a query regarding your research article
ओके
or
मैम
regarding the
ओके
course.
मैम
Yes.
Ma'am, because we are students, we have not done any research. That's why how to do that.
It's not like a research, more of your opinion or whatever you're learning through the course, you're just putting across on your document and you're just submitting that research article. That's all. It's like more of your article submission.
It's just
Okay,
a
thank you.
comprehensive, it will be a main comprehensive certificate course on new criminal law. It's not about you have to give any assignment more or less until and unless you are asked. Whatever the lecture I'll give, just make a note of it. It's more than a thing that you take some guidance, you take some knowledge from the certificate course in your notes, in your future perspective. उसके accordingly आप अपना article बनाओ, जैसे बनाओ. I'll guide it accordingly, जैसे भी whatever the host will ask you to do.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I have gone through the outline of the module, but is law of evidence being covered?
Your voice is bit.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Please say comment again.
Yeah. So I have went through the structure of the module, the outline. So I had this query that law of evidence will be dealt with, right, in detail.
Sorry.
Law of evidence will be dealt in detail or not?
Everything. All the three new criminal laws. In fact, the course also will be also encapsulating the white collar crimes as well, the PMLA laws, the Prevention of Corruption Act, what actually the white collar crime is and how it is linked with the criminal law. आज के टाइम पे आप लोग न्यूज़ देखते हो, जजमेंट्स देखते हो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के, यू गेट टू नो ईडी ने आज ये किया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ये जजमेंट आया, व्हाट इज पीएमएलए, व्हाट इज पीसी एक्ट, what the judgments Supreme Court are giving. So how this ED, PMLA laws, Prevention of Corruption Act come into the play with linkage of the new criminal law IPC, CRPC और BNSS क्या होता है? Because आज के समय it is a very booming thing. We can say like everybody is delving into this PMLA laws with simultaneously.
Insolvency and bankruptcy be also covered under white collar crime, or no? We are just
Not
concentrating.
covered, but since if you say so, I can just take you around if we had a time lecture.
But the core criminal ingredients or essentials we're talking about. Money laundering.
The criminal laws as well as this white collar crimes.
Okay.
If you
Thank
say
you.
so, then I can give you an overview of IBC as well and end of lectures.
Thank you.
No.
Harshada, you had a query?
हाँ यस हमें नोटबुक और ये कुछ लिखना इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट जब लेक्चर शुरू होगा तो
ना वो आपके ऊपर है, आपके ऊपर लेक्चर है, आपको जो नोट्स बनाना है इट्स वेरी
I mean, we'll not be providing you any notes or reading material. So whatever sir will be teaching you, you will have to make your own notes for your own revision purposes.
ओके थैंक यू
Vaibhav Kataria, sir.
यस सर मेरे को एक क्वेरी है सर। मैं जैसे फ्रेशर हूँ अभी हर फील्ड में सर, जैसे मैं सेकेंड ईयर में अभी सर, मुझे आईपीसी भी सर मुझे अभी ढंग से नहीं पता है। तो बीएनएस सर मैं यहाँ पे न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉस पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो सर मुझे तो इश्यूज मुझे फेस होंगी। तो सर उसके लिए सर मैं कैसे सर सारे इंटरेक्ट करूँ कि मुझे आगे क्लियर हो जाए मेरे को पूरा।
नो इश्यूज वैभव, आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट कि ये चीज़ तुम्हारा अगर आईपीसी नहीं पढ़े हो तो वो बीएनएस से क्लियर हो। अगर वो बीएनएस से क्लियर होता है वो कैसे आने वाले टाइम पे तुम्हारे कल को तुम्हें लिटिगेशन में जाना हो, कॉर्पोरेट प्रैक्टिस करनी हो, इस सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स को तुम कैसे एंथुसियास्टिकली अगर लिटिगेशन में जाते हो तुम उसको कैसे आगे काम करते हो, हाउ यू वर्क ऑन इट, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। बिकॉज सिंस यू आर इन सेकेंड ईयर, अभी आने वाले टाइम पे थर्ड ईयर में तुम इंटर्नशिप्स करोगे, मे बी योर माइंड विल गो टुवर्ड्स द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर, फोर्थ ईयर में वापस विल कम बैक टू द लिटिगेशन, फिफ्थ ईयर में वापस विल गो टू द लिटिगेशन। सो इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस। अभी सेकेंड ईयर में यू जस्ट टेक अ ओवरव्यू ऑफ दिस न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉस, नॉट कि अगर आईपीसी नहीं पढ़ा है, बिकॉज अब देखो यार जो आईपीसी पढ़ा है उसके लिए भी बीएनएस में है। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, द सीनियर एडवोकेट, द जजेस एंड एवरीवन। आईपीसी जो पढ़े हुए जस्ट partial reformation of the definitions, I can say, or a few little things which has been added in the BNS, BSA, BNSS and BSA. बाकी सारे procedures, rules and regulations, punishment enhance हुए हैं, procedural aspect change हुए हैं, that all I'll be dealing, क्या punishment add हुए हैं, क्या sections add हुए हैं, क्या IPC में पहले था, क्या changes आए हैं। So it's just कि ज़रूरी नहीं कि IPC ना पढ़ा हो तो आपको ये वाला सेशन समझ में आए, because it's more or less it's a link.
सर ये चीज सर मुझे जैसे मतलब थ्योरेटिकल जैसे अभी हम पढ़ेंगे तो इसके अंदर सर मुझे ढंग से समझ आएगा, मैं साथ में प्रैक्टिकल करूंगा तो मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी आएगा।
प्रैक्टिकल तो उसके लिए तो फिर आपको इंटर्नशिप्स करनी पड़ेगी। इंटर्नशिप अगर क्रिमिनल लॉ देखो काम कहाँ पे आता है, आई To be very candid with you, this course may be कैसे बताएं कि इसको ये शायद आपको काम आए आपके litigation practice में unless and though you go into the criminal law court practice or a disputes team. If you go into the law firm, if you are working in a disputes team, this course will come into play. If you are doing core corporate laws, merger accusations, or something insolvency, this course is not for you. So, but it's a new law. Everybody should know about this new law, what, why, and why this new law has come. Because the old law was framed by the colonials, and this law is framed by the Indians for the Indians, by the Indians and for the Indians. So, no harm taking a lecture and trying into the practical as per the code of law.
No issues, sir. We can do it. Thank you.
Sir, are you going to teach all the section or just main ones?
Only the relevant sections, not all the sections,
Because I am also going to court internship, so I noticed that कि पूरे पूरे सेक्शन नहीं यूज होते, स्पेसिफिक ही यूज होते.
Correct. Only the relevant sections ही use होते हैं ज़्यादातर. But since I told you, I'll be taking you through this course as a theoretical as well as the practical procedures law. So क्या क्या laws use होते हैं, क्या generally use होते हैं, कैसे court rooms में क्या sections के साथ, कैसे IPC के साथ कैसे procedural CRPC work करता था, कैसे BNS के साथ कैसे BNSS work करेगा. Only the relevant sections I'll take you around, which are the most important sections.
Okay, sir. And in the course you have mentioned about the internship. So what's about that?
That is after your research submission, and
Okay,
then
okay.
later the team will contact you if you're selected for internship.
That just I want to know the criteria. What will be? Thank you.
Are there any more queries? I think we are done for today, sir.
Okay.
So we'll begin our course from tomorrow at 3:30. Thank you, sir, for joining the session, and thank you all for participating in the same. So see you all tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much. I just want everybody to be very engaging, very frank, बिना हिचकिचाहट के कुछ ना समझ में आए, just unmute yourself and ask. I know many people are new who wants to know about this new law. बीच में शायद नए लोगों को नाम समझ में आए, but be frank, be engaging. पढ़ाने में भी अच्छा लगे, आपको पढ़ने में भी अच्छा लगे. It's not about taking the certificate. Don't be a certificate person. Be a learner. Huh?
Yeah, Harshada, ma'am, you had a query?
सर्टिफिकेट हमें ऑनलाइन मिलेगा या ऑफलाइन मिलेगा, या आर्टिकल सबमिशन कंपलसरी उसके बाद मिलेगा?
Only after the compulsory submission of your assignment. After that, within a week, you'll be getting your certification, ma'am, online itself.
कुछ आर्टिकल में कुछ कंफ्यूजन होगा, या मीन्स पहले नहीं किया, अभी 6 महीने से मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, तो भी वो रेगुलर नहीं है. एक 8 दिन में 3-4 बार मैं कोर्ट जाती हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. तो आप गाइड कर सकते हैं वो लास्ट में जब ये होगा तो आर्टिकल लिखना होगा तब.
Ma'am, you can start your topic research from today itself. So you can start like weekly wise, you can build your progress and go. It is around 2000 words or so. So if you have any queries, we'll be able to help you with the process, ma'am.
टॉपिक आप देंगे ना हमें?
No, no, it will be by you itself. Your interest, whatever area of interest which is suited for you, then you can search for the same.
Can you give some example of topics, please?
Like the new criminal acts that are coming, or whatever sir tomorrow he'll be talking about, or the syllabus that I've sent on the timeline. So that also can be used as your interest, whichever fields that
Okay.
you are interested or passionate about, you want to write an article on it.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, this is just a reminder that please don't unmute yourself from the next sessions. If you have any queries, you can put it on the chat box. And in the last 10-15 minutes where we'll have a discussion session, So Sir can address all those queries in the chat box. So that will be we can have a discussion later in the session. Yeah, Ganesh sir, you have a query?
मैम मुझे ये पूछना था जो असाइनमेंट होगी वो रिटन हो सकती है या हमें वर्ड फाइल या ऐसे टाइप फॉर्म में सबमिट
Word
करना?
or PDF, sir.
ओके मैम,
Typed.
कोई फिक्स्ड फॉर्मेट
Sir,
और
I've already sent in the group with the timeline itself. It is in the end.
ओके मैम, आई
हम
चेक।
गूगल से या बुक से रेफरेंस ले सकते हैं आइडिया के लिए?
Yes, 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 you can.
ठीक, थैंक यू।
Do we have any plagiarism or not?
Yes, 10% is a plagiarism cut.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Are there any other queries? Okay, I think that's it for the day. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.